tool holder support for machine-powered programming machines. Now we also introduce the tool holder support for machine-powered programming. Tool holders is meant as lathe tool holders, tool extensions. Basically, a device which is necessary to connect the tool with the machine. Before a tool holder can be used by the CAM programmer, it first must be created and prepared within the NX Machine Tool Builder application. We start creating the tool holder by selecting the newly introduced tool holder base component classification from the empty top node in Machine Tool Navigator. A new tool holder node is created, and the user can assign part geometries and define the mandatory mounting junction to where the holder will be mounted into the machine. At least one additional child component is necessary to define the location where the tool is mounted to. In this example, we classify this pocket as static pocket, which means that a mounted tool will be fixed assembled with this holder. To finalize the preparation process, it is important that the tool holder has a kinematic chain defined. This chain requires a name and a definition of a tool end component. Save the configuration and add it to the device library. To start using this newly created tool holder, open an existing or a new CAM setup in NX Manufacturing with an MPP machine included. In this example, we add this tool holder now to the available pockets on a turret within the machine setup configurator. Find the suitable pocket and hit from within the Create Tool dialog Retrieve Device from Library. Select the new tool holder to be added to your current CAM session. The tool holders are now available to mount desirable cutting tools. The commissioned tool assembly is now considered as one entity to interact with in the machine tool view of the Operation Navigator, indicated by this lock symbol on the tool icon. This means that the tool can only be moved or unmounted from ONT by selecting the parent component. Tool holders and tool can only be assembled or disassembled within the machine setup configurator.